Hi, this is Austin with Bullard Dental. We just got a new facial scanner from Shining 3D. It's called the MetiSmile, and we're excited to share it with you guys. Alright, so we've jumped over here to the computer. The first thing we're going to do is launch FS Launcher. That's the Shining 3D MetiSmile software. Login information should be saved, so you'll just click Sign In. Once you're signed in, the very first thing you'll do is hit New Order. You can either enter the patient's name if it's an additional scan, or hit the plus button to enter a new patient. The required fields are the patient name, age, and gender. You'll hit Accept, and then facial scanning is already indicated, so you'll hit Scan in the bottom right. On the right, you'll see where it says Too Far. The camera needs to be positioned. They refer to it as suitable, but closer if it says too far, or it'll tell you too close if the camera is too close. The height is also something that you'll have to adjust. You can either raise or lower the chair height, or you can raise or lower the monopod on the camera itself. We do want the teeth dried with the air-water syringe. Position the head in the center of this green icon. When you are ready to start scanning, hit the Start button in the bottom center. Have the patient looking straight at the camera in a full smile with their eyes open. They will look to the left, then they'll look back to center, and then they will look to the right.
What's the shade in the block?
And when you are done, you will hit the Finish button, which is the check mark in the bottom of the screen as well. It takes a few seconds to process the data, and then it will give us a preview here in just a second. You'll notice when you sit down in front of the camera, there are multiple cameras. Indicate the patient to look in the center of the camera, and there is a red flashing light in the center of the camera that their eyes should be pointed at in the very beginning. It's the middle camera, but there's also a red flashing light there. Once the data is processed, you can do a quick preview and just look to make sure that, again, their eyes are open and looking straight forward, the teeth were captured well, and you have both ears captured completely. Hair can be a trouble sometimes, but you can see here the left ear had a little bit of hair in front of it, but it's still captured very well. If for some reason that ear is not captured, please delete the scan, have them adjust their hair or whatever is in front of the ear, and then rescan. When you are done scanning, you'll hit Export, and you'll enter the folder name as the patient's last, first name, and they should always be stored in the 3D Facials Photos folder on the data drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, so we've jumped into exocad here, and I'm going to show you the alignment of the facial scan to an intraoral scan. We are indicating some like points, and usually the most accurate data is from canine to canine. So you can mark a few points here on each of the teeth. And then what I like to do is hit match excluding selected parts, fit nowhere, and then highlight the buccal surface of 6 through 11. And then what you can do here is hit perform alignment, best fit matching, and you can see how well the facial scan is now matched up to the teeth. That allows us to set midlines perfectly and align the plane of occlusion to the ala tragus, allowing for predictable results. So we see a lot easier scanning technique, a lot better scan, and a lot better alignment to the STLs with the MetiSmile. Thank you for watching.